Hello everyone and welcome to Neat Buddy. If you have been following our daily MCQ series till now, then you would be knowing what we are doing here right now. I'm providing you with 15 MCQs in jumbled format from all of the chapters of class 11th and class 12th NCERT biology so that you are able to crack the upcoming NEET exam with confidence by practicing these little extra MCQs over other students. So without wasting much time, let's get started with 15 MCQs for today. Question number 1. Which one of the following palindromic base sequence in DNA can be easily cut about the middle by some particular restriction enzymes? Four palindromic sequences are given. What are palindromic sequences? Palindromic sequences are those sequences which read same in one particular direction. You have to find out which of the following would be cut exactly in the middle. The correct answer is option 3. That is 5 prime to 3 prime GAATTC, 3 prime to 5 prime CTTAAG. Now if you see, even in the upper strand 5 prime to 3 prime is GAATTC, and the lower strand as well 5 prime to 3 prime if you see is GAATTC. So when you find such sequences which read same in a particular direction, like if you read from 3 prime to 5 prime as well, the sequence is same. Such sequences are known as palindromic sequences. Question number 2. Which one of the following statements is correct with respect to AIDS? The HIV can be transmitted through eating food together with an infected person. Drug addicts are least susceptible to HIV infection. AIDS patients are being fully cured percent with proper care and nutrition. The causative HIV retrovirus enters T lymphocyte and thus reducing their number. You have to find the correct statement with respect to AIDS. So the correct statement is option 4. The causative HIV retrovirus enters the helper T lymphocytes and reduce their number. Reduction in CD4 cells or the helper T cells reduces the immunity of the person, exposing it to many opportunistic infections, right? Option first is incorrect. HIV is not transmitted by eating food. Drug addicts are more susceptible to HIV. AIDS patient cannot be fully cured and ultimately AIDS patient will die. Question number 3. Phototropic curvature is a result of uneven distribution of gibberellins, phytochrome, cytokinin, auxin. Which of the plant hormone is responsible for the curvature of the plant towards the sunlight? Phototropic curvature. The correct answer is option 4. Auxin is the hormone that is responsible for phototropic curvature. Question number 4. Male and female gametophytes are independent and free living in mustard, castor, pinus, sphagnum. Male and female gametophyte are independent and free living in. The correct answer is option 4, sphagnum. Question number 5. The technical term used for the androecium in a flower of China rose is monoadelphous, diadelphous, polyandrous, polyadelphous. The correct answer is option 1, monoadelphous. Question number 6. The virus envelope is known as capsid, virion, nucleoprotein, core. Correct answer is option 1, capsid. Question number 7. The permissible use of technique of amniocentesis is for detecting sex of unborn fetus, artificial insemination, transfer of embryo into the uterus of a surrogate mother, detecting any genetic abnormality. Amniocentesis is a technique in which the amniotic fluid is taken out and the cells of the baby is studied, right? It is an banned technique, or rather its use is limited to only certain specific reasons. Which of the following is the main permissible use of amniocentesis? The correct answer is option 4. Amniocentesis is allowed to be used for detecting any genetic abnormalities. Question number 8. During mitosis, ER and nucleolus begin to disappear at late prophase, early metaphase, late metaphase, early prophase? The correct answer is option 1, that is late prophase. Question number 9. One of the free-living anaerobic nitrogen fixer is Beijeringia, Rhodospirillum, Rhizobium, Azotobacter. Free-living anaerobic nitrogen fixer. The correct answer is option 2, Rhodospirillum. Question number 10. DNA or RNA segment tagged with a radioactive molecule is called vector, probe, clone, plasmid. The correct answer is option 2, probe. Question number 11. Which one of the following statement is wrong? Agar-agar is obtained from Gelidium and Gracilia. Chlorella and Spirulina is used as space food. Mannitol is the stored food in Rhodophyceae. Algene, carrageen are algal products. You have to find the statement which is incorrect. The answer is option 3 is incorrect. Question number 12. Secondary succession takes place on or in degraded forest, newly created pond, newly cooled lava or bare rock. Secondary succession. Correct answer is option 1, degraded forest. Question number 13. Hilum is a scar on fruit where it is attached to pedicel, fruit where stylus was present, seed where micropyle was present, seed where funicle was attached. The correct answer is option 4. It is a scar on seed where funicle was attached. Question number 14. The gut of the cow and buffalo possesses chlorellal species, methanogens, cyanobacteria, fucus species. The correct answer is option 2, that is methanogens. Question number 15. A population will not exist in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium if there are no mutations, there are no migrations, the population is large, individuals mate selectively. Population will not exist in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. The correct answer is option 4, if the individuals mate selectively. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.